Frosty na Shachtana, I'm sure one. Play and pause this video as you move down through the page. By Friday, try to answer the questions without looking at the actual answers. An chéad lá, an dara lá, an tríú lá, an ceathrú lá, an cúigiú lá, an séú lá, an seachtú lá, an tuchtú lá, an naoú lá. Déag, fiche, trucha, beg, sira, an saoire seachuing, ban sultas. An féidir leat cabhra is féidir. Cén dáta é inniuh an, whatever Mr. Maloney explained to you in class. Cá tháinig tú ar maidin, tháinig mé ó ma theach. Cén sort aimsir a bhí ann, bhí sé fuair, fluc, te, gweifir, scamala. Pick one of those. An meig tú sira, an saoire seachuing, beg. Cén sort aimsir a bhí ann, beg sé te agus greenver. Ban sultas, Corrach Mahagat. Can you help me? I can. What is today's date? Today's date is... Where did you come from this morning? I came from my house. What was the weather like there? It was fuair cold, fluc wet, te hot, gweifir windy or scamalach cloudy. Will you be on holidays next summer? I will or I will not. What will the weather be like? It will be te agus greenver, hot and sunny. Enjoy. Thank you. Notice the link between the questions and the answer. The question is on féidir leat. The answer is féidir lum. Inniuh in the question, inniuh in the answer. Cá tháinig. Answer starts with the verb tháinig. Cén sort aimsir a bhí ann, so your answer starts with the word bhí. The question has on meg. The on creates the aru, which is m before b. Future tense will. On meg to will you be. The answer is either beg or ní veg. If it's no, it's ní and you put in a h. Cén sort aimsir a bheig ann. Again, the answer has beg in it. You must pause the video and repeat the sentences out loud. Try do the actions if you can.